morning, Mom. Welcome to 5-Star Hotel. My name is Angelica. How may I help you? Yes, Mom. Let me assist you to the front desk. May I carry your luggage? Mom, let me escort you to your room. Before we arrive to your room, allow me to explain our hotel facilities. Breakfast will be available at restaurant located at lobby label from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have cafe and business center at lobby level. Our meeting rooms are located on the second floor. The swimming pool, spa, fitness center are on the 5th floor. Let us know if you need to make reservation for our hotel facilities. We are here in front of your room, Ma'am. May I have your key for me to open the door? Ma'am, allow me to explain the room facilities. You have safety deposit box inside the wardrobe. You also have minibar if you want to consume snack and drinks. Please don't forget to fill the minibar list. And this is the remote control for your television channels. You have a view to the city, and this is your bedside lamp. And this is your telephone to make outgoing calls. Press 0 for operational assistance, 1 for housekeeping, 3 for laundry, and 3 for room service. This is your room conditioner, and lastly, this is your bathroom. For the water, tap the red button for hot water and blue for cold water.